Hop into the 2021 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.